What's up?
It's vlogmas.
It's not even December.
We're starting early because we have family in town.
Vlogmas.
What are you doing?
We got crazy dogs.
Let me get him.
This guy, my son.
Who is this boy?
Hi, Dick.
The boys are getting haircuts this week, finally, huh, boys?
No! Give everyone a Rue update. What's going on with Rue?
Who needs a haircut? Look at him. Alright, we've got a lot to do today.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What are you doing today?
We're cleaning.
I feel like I spent all day yesterday cleaning.
Rue, what do you think about that? I think the house is still a mess, please. We are gonna go get something to eat for breakfast. We have zero food in the house besides like some eggs, but nothing to eat with the eggs. That needs to be changed. Ooh, look what I just found. The other half of my Go Macro bar. I'm having this feeling in my stomach right now of like, you know when you drink coffee and you don't eat anything with it and your stomach starts to feel like you're gonna die? That's what I feel like right now. I was out of town in LA. Just got back but had to work for like 3 days straight, 24 hours a day pretty much. So now we're going to get groceries. I'm going to get breakfast and coffee first. And then...
Are we getting coffee?
I found this little treat in my purse. Jace hates these. I think he's delivering to me right now. To the farmer's market we forgot was today, but we stopped and got breakfast. Why they don't have branded bags anymore?
Times are tough.
I got a sausage, egg, and cheddar. This is our last hurrah.
I think you say last hurrah every day.
Don't make me laugh. My last hurrah.
I didn't get a drink because I was going to get one on my Panera Sip Club, but I didn't realize we're doing a bunch of errands before we're going to get to Panera, and now I'm struggling.
You knew we were going to the farmer's market.
I know. Just didn't put two and two together.
I got my coffee. We have coffee at home now, but we're running errands, so we're doing our little tradition of getting Starbucks. And they wrote me a little note on the top because I asked for peppermint, and they said they were out, but then they found some. It's my lucky day.
It's gonna be a good day.
Oh yeah, brother.
The whole peppermint fiasco.
Why are they always out of peppermint? They know.
It's a hot product.
I made us a meal plan for the week. For breakfast, I'm gonna be having egg, sausage, and a yogurt bowl. And you're having bagel.
Yeah, a muffin or something little. Then
for lunch, I'm doing a different kind of sausage, rice, veggie bowl. And Jace is having chickpea salad sandwich. And then for dinner, we're doing Bobby Flay chicken and salad. I have all my little snacks and desserts listed. Jello, whipped cream, my protein smoothie that tastes more like a milkshake.
Morning milkshake.
Cucumbers, almonds, popcorn, cantaloupe, strawberries. Cantaloupe's not in season anymore though.
Alright, I'll just shoot. I didn't realize it was Vlogmas already.
I told you it was.
The early Vlogmas. It was just Vlogsgiving.
It was not Vlogsgiving. Not staying there. No. We need to secure these. This is really just to go with hot chocolate for when my family's in town. My nephew's coming, and I assume, like every other kid, he likes hot chocolate. Brussels sprouts, bananas, some frozen peas, cucumbers. These go bad so fast. Sweet and spicy pecans for my salads. I buy these like once a year because they're so expensive, but they're my favorite. Pine nuts. We went to so many stores today. At Target, we got this to do with my nephew when he's here. I got another candle because our other one's almost burnt out. It smells like gingerbread. How cute is it? Little gumdrops. Gingerbread is like Jason's favorite thing ever. Got some candy to refill our candy bowl, and then some stocking stuffers because we're doing like an early Christmas when my brother and his family are here. This is our Christmas candy bowl, and Jace has filled it with these disgusting, they're like peppermint taffies. I don't even know what they are. So I picked these mint kisses. More Kit Kats. I just like for this candy bowl to be kind of full when there's gonna be guests around. But honestly, when I'm just around the house, I'm like, I walk by and I see this full of candy and it's like, I've gotta have one. And of course, Reese's. Sometimes you just need a little candy pick-me-up. I love candy. We're gonna do like a big Christmas cookie thing when everyone's here, so we got a couple things for that. I got my favorite wine, a little sparkling, some lettuce. I planned out our meals for this week, and I'm gonna be eating the same thing all week long pretty much, with like a few minor changes, but kind of like a meal prep situation, because I've been on my journey healing my relationship with food this year, and now I feel like I'm like halfway there probably. I definitely am not as scared of a lot of foods that I was last year, but now I feel like I'm so far into the like not questioning anything I want to eat and just eating whatever I want that I'm eating like a full thing of candy a day, which isn't good either for me. Gotta get back onto a little bit of, I'm gonna say a schedule, but a routine of where I'm just being a little bit more mindful about what I'm eating, which will be nice. These have been like my favorite breakfast sausages. Because of my autoimmune disease, I have to get like way extra protein in my diet. At least that's what my doctor tells me. And so it's been really hard for me to have the amount of protein that I'm supposed to have in a day, and I feel like I never hit the goal, but I'm really trying to. So these to go with breakfast in the morning. I got these for like a dinner. Roasted garlic and Asiago chicken sausage. Jace got some bacon, and then these chicken soup sausages. I'm a sausage girly. This is what I was telling Jace. And then there's just bacon and chicken. It's not fun to look at. And some almond milk for smoothies. I think this is the last of it. Let's hope. At the farmer's market, we got some lemons and limes. We were gonna get a lot more there, but I don't know. We just ended up getting lemons, limes, and these mixed berries that look really good. I'm gonna put in a smoothie. These strawberries smell really good for not being strawberry season. I'm not really a big berry person, but I know that they're really good for my health issues that I have. I'm gonna try and freeze them and then put them in smoothies. This is so funny. We got this for Phoebe. It's a wine, what is this? A wine bottle sweater, but I think it'll fit Phoebe perfectly, so I had to get it. And then I got this yogurt I wanted to try. It's the blended vanilla by, is this called? Yay. And that's it. That's the grocery haul for the week. Time to paint the Arla Mars pants for our PR list. These are what I'm painting right now. You ever like not look at yourself in the mirror for a couple hours and then you see yourself and it's like, what the hell is going on? All right. I'm gonna paint these. Usually my mom would be helping with this, but she's out doing her thing today, so I'm gonna paint our PR list, and then I think I'm just gonna like do my nails. I feel like I do my nails a lot, but these are like lifting up now and are covered in paint, and my cuticles look disgusting. So I'm gonna finish these, hang them up to dry, and then have some me time, do my nails. It's so dark already. I'm using my phone as a light here. I did my nails. They're pink flames, kind of hard to see. And we are gonna go to the movies now. We're gonna go see the movie The Menu. Are you getting a hot dog? Okay, we're gonna go. We will update on if the movie was good or not when we get back.
I hope it's good.
Okay, we just left the movie theater. I'm filming on my phone because we're at the gas station, but the movie was good. I feel like from the preview, you have no idea what the movie's actually going to be about, which is nice. They don't like give away anything with the preview or the trailer, so that's good. I really liked it. I won't say much else so I don't give anything away, but it was good. That's it for Vlogmas Day 1.
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Cam reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing.